Hey guys, this is Future Boy and welcome to our HTML tutorials. In this tutorial, I will teach you and I will show you how to integrate and how to place a image in the display of your website. Okay, so this is not so hard. This is not so easy also. So you want to know all these type of things or how to place a image on your website and in your display of website. So please see all videos and you see this in previous video. I will teach you and I will show you how to example of h1 to h6 tags, and so this is coding of h1 to h2 tags. You don't know about all things coding and all know about, and you going to like getting anything. So you don't know about this type of thing, so go check my previous video and see my previous video. You know all about information is in previous video. I am already show you. Okay, so in this tutorial I will teach you and I will show you how to place a image on HTML website. Okay, so let's go. So guys, please subscribe our channel for more tutorials and programming tutorials. So let's go, and I am removing all things. Now I am going to start with HTML. Okay, HTML, and I am close this. I am coding all things in there. I am information. I am all things giving in previous video. Okay, so no, don't see a previous video. Please see a previous video. Then you will knowledge about that different things. Okay, title, close the title, and in title I am taking name of Future Boy, and I'm taking a body tag and body close body tag. So guys, here I am taking a like I am giving you I am place a image. I am remove this place subscriber channel first, then I am control plus S, save it, then you okay, I am refresh it, then you see this, the all things are removing. Okay, okay, what's the problem? Okay, I am not save it now. Okay, so you see this all h1 to h6 text are removed. Now I am place a image in there. Okay, so how I will do this? I am firstly here this is my image. You see this blind, and image name is blind. Here you see this is my image. So I am place this image on my HTML file. Okay, HTML website. Okay, so this is the image, blind name, blind dot go, and check property what is extension of this image. So here you see this .png, and this image are in desktop. So what I will do, for imaging place on your website, the tags are used in tags is ing. Okay, there are no close on there, because I am in previous video I will also say you many tags are closed, many tags are closed and many tags are also not closed. So this is tags who not closed. Okay, so you want to place the image on your website. So what you will do, in body tag you will type ing space src. Src means source. Okay, and then take a equal sign and take a 2 comma. Okay, 2 comma like this. Okay, 2 comma like this, and then what you will do, you will type your image name. So what is my image name is, my image name, you will see this is blind. Okay, you will see this property here, you see blind dot png. So I will give it this name, blind. Okay, blind dot png. Many images are coming on jpg, but this image in png. I am control plus s is save it, and now I am go on website and showing this image really coming on website or not. So I will refresh it, and hey guys, this is image coming on my website. You see this, like this is really happening good and look like better. Okay, so this is my image of Arduino blind eyeglass sunglass. I am creating this. Okay, so this image, and okay, so this is image like him, and any not write anything to what is this image. So I am giving a tag there. I am giving a h1 tag. So okay man. Okay, Arduino blind glass for blind peoples. Okay, so now this is the Arduino blind glass for blind people. You create many interesting things in there. Okay, so this is so revision it how will do this. So in body tags you will take a img, okay, like this, and again take a img tag, a space, src means source, equal to sign button and comma and give your name, who image your name. So my image name is blind dot png. Okay, save it and refresh it. Okay, you see this. Okay, so I hope guys you like this tutorial. I hope guys enjoy this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for more tutorials. In coming tutorials I will show you how to change a width height of your image, and how to change your background colors of name. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. Thanks for watching guys. Any problem please comment us, we reply fast as possible. And please subscribe our channel for more tutorials. Please subscribe our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching guys. Have a nice day.